how to add Klarna to Apple Pay. So here's how it works. Open up the Klarna app, and right here we will press on the plus sign in the top right corner. Now you want to generate a one-time card. So right here, if you have the option to generate a one-time card on Klarna, you will click on it, and right here you will just choose what the card is gonna be called. So I'm just gonna create a sample card here, and I will just continue on. Okay, so once you have created your Klarna card, then if you want to add it to Apple Pay, you will go into your wallet, and then you will click on the plus sign here in the top right corner, and then you will choose debit or credit card. So the Klarna card is going to be another card, so you can scroll all the way down if you have this menu and click on another card. Click on continue, and here you can either scan the card, but it's going to be digital, so you will need to put the card number details here manually. So type out the card number, then you will type out the name for the Klarna card which you just generated. Click on next, go through the prompts, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.